I'm filming this little recording to help you navigate the Canvas site for our class. This is my second semester to use Canvas. Maybe some of you are familiar with it already. Maybe it's new to others, but I really like it and I hope that you will find it easy to navigate our class. So right now the home page for the class is the syllabus. It's kind of hybrid. Some of it's here, just copy and pasted from the hard copy of the syllabus, which I'll show you in a second. This is auto-generated from the ways that I've set up the assignments. Short assignment grades will be reading questions, reading quizzes, and a peer review or two. Discussion, and that's discussion board posts. And then everything that says an essay or annotated bibliography, that is a major paper. So here's my blurb about what the course is. Objectives. Required textbooks, important information here. You can get these from any source that you want. In my hard copy of the syllabus, which you can find here, the hard copy will download that if you're used to navigating a hard copy syllabus. It has everything you need to know. The course policies are there, but you can also access them online. There's a grading rubric for reading questions and discussion board posts that I recommend you read, and I've linked to this from several places, including from your modules. And these are the required syllabus policies from UT. So these are available as links, but they're also included in the hard copy of the syllabus. Okay, the next part of the Canvas syllabus is a course summary, and these are the dates when assignments are due, but I still need to clean this up. So skip past all the things that have due dates in 2016 and 2017, and I have the due dates for the major papers and the first couple of weeks of assignments corrected, but the rest of it I'm still converting over from my old Blackboard site. So this is the syllabus. This will always be available, but I'm going to switch to the module view as the home page after I think everyone's comfortable with the course. So the modules are the primary way that I intend for you to navigate the course. So you click on the little arrow by the name of the module, and these are all the documents or links that I want you to be familiar with the first thing when you start the course. A lot of your readings are here. Let's see, 3 of these 4 first readings are PDFs of readings that are available in the Norton Book of Composition Studies, which I'm giving you more time to order, basically. So if you don't have the book by week 1, that's okay because you can access the PDFs here. And then there are many more that are for download whenever you see a PDF in the hard copy of the syllabus. Writing resources are reminders, good tips for you if you're getting back into writing essays, especially for English classes and grad classes. So you can take a look at those if you want. Online resources are more things that are sort of optional for you, but you might find helpful right now or later in the semester. Okay, where the modules are labeled by week, that's what I expect for you to be navigating the class by. So everything that's going to be due in a week, if there are PDFs for your reading for you to download, these will be week by week in the module. So here for week 1 we have instructor information, that's just about me. This is the little discussion board icon. That means that's the assignment you post on the discussion board. This is a document that includes my grading rubric for reading questions and discussion board posts. This is a PDF, so it's a document that you need to download and read. And I really, really recommend that you print these downloads out and annotate them by hand. And then your other assignment is reading questions about the reading for this week. So week 1 reading questions are about the week 1 reading assignment. Okay, so same as the other module. The readings are here. 2 of these are in your Norton Book of Composition Studies, but if you don't have the book, then that's why they're provided here. Reading questions is an assignment for you. This is a discussion board post, and you need to respond to your classmates' posts from week 1, their introductory posts. This looks like a separate writing assignment, but really it's something that you complete in the discussion board, and then I just look to see that it's there, and I check off, I give you 5 points if you fulfilled the requirements. So this is kind of a placeholder for a little 5-point short assignment that I will take care of. So this is kind of a dummy post that just goes to the instructions, which is respond to at least one of your classmates' posts on this discussion board. Here are the grading rubrics. Okay, when we're getting close to a writing assignment, it's going to appear like this, synthesis essay module. The synthesis essay is your first writing assignment. So this is a description of what you'll find in here. This is the actual assignment that you'll click on to submit your essay. Click on that, and that's what the assignment will look like. Information here, and clicking this button to submit it by Word document. I have, where did it go? Also in the synthesis essay module, tips on writing a synthesis essay, and an example, an annotated example of what that should look like. So every once in a while you'll see these modules interspersed with the weekly modules, so that you can easily access all the resources I have for those assignments. Other than that, the left-hand links are pretty self-explanatory. Any announcements will go here. You can access the assignments here. The major papers are correct in there, but obviously these are not overdue assignments. They're old due dates that I need to clean up. Discussion boards are readily accessible for you here. You can access your grades there. There are the other people in your class here. If you have quizzes, you can go straight here to do it, but you can access all of these things that you'll need through the weekly modules as well. So there's some redundancy built in here. As far as your Canvas menu sidebar, the calendar should contain all the due dates for this class and other classes. Inbox is important. It will look different when I'm in my own view. Message me if you have questions about the course. If you want to email me as well to make sure that I get it as soon as possible, then that's a good idea. And I respond to both emails and messages, but I know that the message is important because it's from a student if it appears in my Canvas messages. Okay, I forget what ARC is. Help is a great resource for you and for me. You have a chat option for getting support. You have a hotline option for getting support. These just go to my questions, my inbox. I search the Canvas guides a lot because there's a lot of good information already collected in kind of a handbook that you can search. So I use this kind of thing. That's the version of my Canvas. I use this all the time. And then our IT people at UT Tyler are pretty good about responding to when there are problems with Canvas, and I haven't had many problems with it at all, honestly. So about it working correctly. So remember that if you have a Canvas question, you go to this help button down here. If you can't find the answer, then you can ask me, or you can chat with your fellow students. Let me see, go back here. Using the chat feature, which is for y'all. We could chat too if you wanted to. My office hours are Monday and Tuesday 1 to 2:30 and by appointment, available by phone, chat, or in person. So if you like to chat, we can do that, and we can set aside a time to do that. Okay, I think that's all I needed to show you about the Canvas website. I'll link to YouTube videos that I film or record pretty often, so you'll need to access YouTube, and downloading PDFs. You'll need to upload Word documents, and otherwise everything is kind of embedded in Canvas. So I hope you find the course easy to navigate. If you're having trouble finding something, in our course specifically, you might just ask a classmate, or you can ask me and I'll point you in the direction. And I do make mistakes, so if you can't find something, it might be because I haven't set it up right yet. All right, I'm looking forward to navigating this semester with you, and hope it's a good semester for all of us.